Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe review, packing, and on the body video. Today we have the beautiful new Toki Tiki print by JuJuBe and Tokidoki. This is their newest collaboration print for the summer and it is absolutely adorable. I just love this print for summertime, you guys. It is so vibrant and beautiful and I just love all the colors. And this print is releasing tomorrow, so I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. You guys can actually shop through that anytime you want, and it helps support my channel, so thank you very much. But today we are going to be unpacking the Be Light, which is one of my favorite JuJuBe bags. This is a bag that I constantly use for traveling. As you're watching this video, I'm actually away on a trip using this bag at Great Wolf Lodge. But today I actually have it packed up for my Pilates classes. I go twice a week, every week, and I always take the Be Light with me. It's just the perfect size bag for carrying all of my gear. But I also love that, of course, JuJuBe is machine washable. So when this gets all gunky from all of my Pilates gear, then I can just wash it and it washes up like new. So let's go ahead and go around this bag a little bit. You have these two deep pockets in the very front here. You can definitely fit a water bottle in there. You can also fit things that you want to grab quickly and easily, like your phone or small set pieces and things like that. They fit perfectly in here. Also, a medium set piece fits in here just fine. You have these nice long tote straps. As you saw in the very beginning of this video, you can wear this bag a few different ways. You can wear this in the crook of your arm, over your shoulder, and if you have a messenger strap that you can purchase separately with this print, you can wear this bag crossbody and over the shoulder with that as well. And that just frees up your hands a little bit more. That is a great option. On the sides of the bag here, you can see how narrow it is. It is not a super wide bag, but you can, as you can see, you can bulk it up a little bit at the very top here and on the bottom too, if you had some wider things you wanted to stick down there. I feel like this bag is a little bit more expandable than you think it is. And on the sides here, you also have a D-ring, one on each side, so you can attach that messenger strap. Look how cute this zipper pull is, you guys. Look at this Donatella. She is so adorable. She completely matches the bag. She's even doing the shaka, which is just adorable. So that is just another fun detail on this bag, but that is across the zipper on the very top of the bag here. And that takes you to the inside, your main compartment of the bag. The very back of the bag, you have like literally nothing going on back here besides the print, but that is so much fun to look at. I feel like the back of the bag, you actually get a really good look at this print. So there you go. Isn't that super cute? I just love this print. I think my favorite part is like where the pink meets the purple. It's just super pretty. Even though you guys know that like Donatella is my favorite, but she's kind of hanging out in the yellow area up here, so. But my personal favorite like colorway is like down the middle here. It's so pretty. So now that we've gone over the outside of the bag, I'm gonna go ahead and start unpacking it for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this right pocket here. I have my phone. This is an iPhone 14 Pro, and I just have it sitting up and down in there. In front of that, I have my wallet. This is a Madewell Sydney wallet. I love it so much. It is just the right size for fitting into these types of pockets, and it holds everything I need. That's all that I had down in here, but as you guys can see, it's a nice deep pocket. On the other side, I actually have my small towel by Lulu, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay this bag down because it's starting to lose its structure. But this small towel is amazing. I've done a couple different shorts with it on YouTube and it's the best. I love it. It's extremely absorbent and it dries quickly, so it's perfect for if you're sweaty and just need to dry off real quick. So I highly recommend this. I love it. And that's all that I had in the front two pockets. So let's go ahead and jump on the inside. As I mentioned, this bag doesn't really have any structure. It is super duper lightweight. But that's one of the things I love about it because it can actually be taken down to something really small and you can travel with it and keep it as an extra bag to hold things when you run out of space in your other bags, which is awesome. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. It's gonna be a little bit difficult to show you guys how I have this packed up on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down. But look at that beautiful lining. I love it. It's got this pale grapey purple right here, and then you have this really fun print all throughout the bag on the inside that features different Toki characters, the heart and crossbones and things like that, and some characters from the bag. So the first thing I have in here is actually my Lulu Rest Feel slides. These are my absolute favorite slides for Pilates, yoga, and all that stuff. I actually have a pair of grippy socks here too, but that's what they look like. They are adorable. Highly recommend these. These are extremely comfortable, you guys. Like I could wear these every day and just be happy. So I have those, and then I have these grippy socks that I got from Amazon. They have been amazing for Pilates class. Next to those things, I just have my water bottle, and I have it empty right now because they actually have an electrolyte infused water dispenser there, so you can fill up before and after class for free. So I bring an empty water bottle with me. That's partially why my bag wasn't standing up. And now that it is empty, on the inside you guys can see, it's just, there's not much going on in there, but on the inside, on this side, we have a zipper compartment. And that is where I like to keep a few things that I want kept a little bit more secure. So I have some sunglasses. These are just cheapos from Old Navy, so I don't even have them in a pouch. Like, I just don't care. I also have my inhaler, which is a must-have. And then I have Cosmic Desert here on the small set piece. In here I just have some chapstick, a hair tie, an oil absorbing roller ball, and then I also have some hand cream. And that's all that I have in my entire bag, you guys. But I want to show you just how like floppy and lightweight this bag is. It's got nothing to it. It's amazing. So what I like to do on vacations is I like to fold it in half like this. Whoop, more like this. Fold it in half. And then I like to roll it up into about this size. And when you have it in this size, you can actually put it into a medium set piece and keep it nice and tight and ready to use in a place that you need an extra bag. You can even keep it in your car in case you need to have a tote for groceries and things like that at places that won't allow you to have plastic bags. So this bag is just super versatile. I've used it for a ton of different things over the years. It's diaper bags, travel bags, book bags, beach bags, like the list goes on. This is an amazing bag. You guys definitely need to try it out, but I would like to hear down in the comments below what you're planning to pick up from this release tomorrow. What is on your wish list? I still have that B set on my wish list. I would love to have a B set, but honestly, I really do like the Cosmic Desert with it. I think they just look really cute together. They've got a lot of purples, both of them. So anyways, that is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.